If you were wanting to reset the waste ink counter on your Epson Workforce 2850, 2830, or 2950, you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey, what's going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset the waste ink counter on your Epson Workforce 2850 and other models. Basically, if you have red lights flashing like this, or you have a maintenance error popping up, then you're going to want to reset the waste ink counter. You may be replacing your maintenance box, and in all these cases, you're going to need to use a waste ink count reset, and it's going to be by using a software. Inkchip.net is where you're going to go. There's going to be a link for this website down in the description below. So this is the tool we're going to use to actually reset the waste ink levels on your Epson EcoTank 2700 models. So once you get to the Inkchip website linked down below, you're going to be prompted to actually download the application on your Windows computer. You absolutely have to have a Windows computer or laptop. You're going to select this application, and that is going to begin the process of you downloading the software that is going to ultimately help you reset the waste ink levels on your Epson EcoTank 2700 models. Select your specific language. You're going to click on waste ink counters, and it's going to allow you to select your printer model, which you have to be connected via USB. An A to B cable will be linked down below as well. This is a connection between the computer or laptop and the printer itself. If you do not have this connection, then you will not be able to do this reset. Now we're going to go back to inkchip.net, and we're going to purchase a WIC code. You're going to enter a coupon code, Best Printers, and this is going to give you a discount on the key that you're purchasing. Now, if you have multiple Epson printers that you're looking to do this to, you can purchase multiple keys, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to purchase one. This is what the key should look like. And now we're going to come back to our software on our Windows computer. We're going to click on Reset Waste Ink Counter, and we're going to input that key that we just purchased. You should receive it via email or right there on the website. And after you input that key, it's going to give you this message that says, "Done. Please reset the printer in order to finish the counter reset process." You're then going to reset your printer. You can do this by powering the printer off and then unplugging the power cable. And then, of course, when it comes time to actually power it back on, you can plug it back in and power it back on. Once you power the printer back on, you can then go back to the software, click on Read Waste Ink Counter, and it should show as all zeros on all three categories. Now, whether you installed a maintenance box or you had an error code, you should be totally reset at this point. Again, you can use the 10% off promo code Best Printers, and that's definitely something you want to use if you are downloading this software. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.